Alright, so to use this, what we're going to do is hold the stud finder up against the wall, and once we're holding it against the wall, we've got this button here on the right hand side. You can hear it beep when you press it. What we're going to do is push it against the wall. Once it's against the wall, we're going to press and hold that button. And when you press it, it's going to start by letting off that beep, and then it's going to go off. And once it goes off, you want to keep holding that button, make sure you keep pressure against the wall, and we're going to start sliding it across. And you can see there, it's going to light up when we reach the edge of the stud. And what's so good about this stud finder is we've actually got a little channel up there too. So I'm going to move it away, and we're going to slowly go across. And when it goes off, we can mark right in that channel, and that's going to be the edge of the stud. Now what we want to do is come across from the other side, hold down that button once again, and we're going to come in the other way to get the other side of the stud. So we've got ourselves two different marks right there, and you can see when I go across it, it's staying lit up the entire way, showing that that's where our stud is. Now, one concern with this stud finder is that you can see that distance between the marks is slightly bigger than what the stud is. So it sounds like it's going off a little bit too early when it starts to sense a stud. So what I'd always do when I'm using a stud finder is come in both sides of where that stud is, get your two marks, and then do a mark directly in the center of those two marks. And if you're screwing down into the stud, you want to go in between those two marks, and that way you're definitely going to hit the stud.